Welcome back to WUH Creator. I hope you're all doing great. In today's video, we're going to learn how to send and receive files between a PC and a mobile phone using Bluetooth. We'll also cover a common problem many people face while receiving files on a PC, and I'll show you exactly how to fix it. Before we begin, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you never miss future tutorials. First, we need to check the name of our PC. Simply right-click on this PC. Then click on Properties. Here, you can see the PC name, which in our case is WUH. Now, let's check the name of our mobile phone. Go to Settings on your mobile, then tap on My Phone. Here, you can see the device name, which is TechnoSpark 20. Go back to your mobile settings and click on Bluetooth and turn on it. Next, on your PC, go to the notification area and turn on the Bluetooth. Now click on Show Hidden Icons. Now right-click the Bluetooth icon and select Show Bluetooth Devices. Now you can either add your mobile from the PC by clicking Add Bluetooth or Other Devices, or select your PC WUH from the list of available devices on your mobile. If the device doesn't appear, simply click Refresh. Once selected, you'll receive a pairing notification on both devices. Make sure the pin matches, then click Yes on your PC and pair on your mobile. You'll now see that the devices are successfully connected. Right-click the Bluetooth icon again and select Receive a File. You'll now see the receiving window on your PC. Go to your mobile, select the file you want to send. Tap Share. Choose Bluetooth and select WUH, which is our PC. You'll see the file transferring from your mobile to your PC. Once completed, click Browse, choose where you want to save the file. We'll select Desktop. Then click OK and Finish. Now, you can see the file saved on your desktop. Many people face an issue where the file transfer fails. This happens because they do not open the Receive File option on the PC before sending the file from the mobile. As you can see, if the receiving interface is not open, the transfer will fail and show an unsuccessful message, as you can see on the notification bar of our mobile. Always open Receive a File from the Bluetooth menu on your PC before sending files from your mobile. Now let's open the Receive File window. Now go to your mobile, select file you want to send. Now tap Share. Choose Bluetooth, select WUH. You'll see the file is been transferred without any issue. Click Browse, choose where you want to save the file. We'll select Desktop. Then click OK and Finish. You are seeing the second file on desktop. Once you open the Receive File window, the transfer will work perfectly as without any issues, as you are seeing we again have done it this time. Now let's send a file from PC to mobile. Go to Notification area, right-click on Show Hidden Icon. Right-click the Bluetooth icon and select Send a File. Choose your mobile device TechnoSpark 20 and click Next. Click Browse, select the file which you want to send. You can select it from anywhere we want from the desktop. Choose the file. Once selected, click Open. Then, click Next. You'll receive a notification on your mobile. Simply tap Accept. The file will be sent successfully and will now appear on your mobile phone. You can see it. Remember, whenever you want to receive files on your PC via Bluetooth, you must open the Receive File option first. Otherwise, the transfer will fail. That's all for today's video. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to WUH Creator, and share this video with others who might need it. See you in the next video.